Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ADP Run for year-end tax document preparation, full guide step by step clearly. Before you begin the installation process of ADP Run for year-end tax document preparation, ensure that you have the necessary login credentials and access. Start by visiting the ADP Run website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username and password, then click on the login button. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Year-End tab or menu option. Click on it to access the year-end document options. Select the Tax Document Preparation feature. You may need to review the available resources and tutorials provided. If prompted, download the necessary software or updates required for installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the setup process. Follow the guided prompts to proceed with the installation. You may be asked to accept the user agreement, read through it carefully and accept. Choose the installation type that suits your needs. Typically, standard installation is recommended. Select the destination folder where you would like the software to be installed. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once installed, click Finish to exit the installation wizard. Return to the ADP Run application to confirm the installation was successful. Log in again if necessary to ensure everything is functioning properly. Navigate back to the Year-End section to start preparing your tax documents. Review any prompts or reminders regarding deadlines or required documents. Familiarize yourself with the available tools to assist with tax document preparation. Ensure you have all relevant employee and payroll data updated in the system. Complete each step as outlined in the software for accurate document preparation. Double-check all information entered for accuracy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.